Ladies and gentlemen, it is about that time after the long wait I've put you guys through. It's been 2 to 3 years for myself since I've given myself a buzz cut. I've got the clipper ready, fully charged at 100%. I got the number 5 guard on, ready to go to rip through the length on the top of my head. So, guys, in today's video, I'm going to be giving myself a buzz cut, self haircut with a high fade on the sides and back, and I'm really hoping it's going to look good because it's been so many years, 2 to 3 years since I've given myself a self haircut just like this. So I'm excited, I'm ready to go. I'm just nervous that at the end of the cut, I'm going to look at myself in the mirror and just be like, dang son, you look goofy. I'm just really hoping that that's not the case. So I'm praying it looks good. I hope you guys are ready for this self haircut because I'm ready for the change. Let me show you guys the 360. This is it. I'm so nervous. All right, let's do it. Let's do it too. I'm ready. This is just hair, it'll grow back eventually. Plus, it might look good. You never know, it might look good. That's the key to trying new things. Enough talking, let's just get to it. All right, ready guys? No way. Alright, well, we're sticking to it. Ain't no turning back now. Ain't no turning back now. I can't even believe I used to do this to myself, dude. Wow, that's crazy. Yo, this fade's about to be nice though, watch. You gotta make sure you go in multiple directions because you know what? Your hair gets used to being turned a certain way when you're styling it. So you have to make sure, look, my hair's conditioned to go left. That's how much I turn it left. You gotta make sure you go against the grain if you want to make it all even. Alright you guys, so before I even continue with the fade, let me just show you what I look like. I look egghead boy. Look at this. Straight up egghead boy. This is crazy, man. Look, my hair is literally conditioned to go to the left. Like, that's crazy. This has never happened to me before. Like, no matter how much I try and push it down, it still wants to go left. Maybe it'll change when I wash my hair, but like, that's crazy. All right, so enough talking. Let's get to this high fade. I'm gonna make it look super nice. You watch. You're gonna wanna do this too the second you finish watching this video, so let's get right to it. For the first guideline, I'm gonna be using the no guard with the lever completely closed, and I'm gonna be going up to about the corner of my eyebrow right in here.
Do not go gently into that good night.
So for the next guideline, I'm gonna be using the half guard, and I'm gonna be going up about 1/2 inch from this previous guideline. So now with no guard on the clipper, I'm gonna be opening the lever to the halfway position, and I'm just gonna be flicking out the hard line here. If you still see a hard line after using the lever halfway open, close it all the way and then just the slightest of bit, and then just knock out the hard line with that flick out motion. So for the next guideline, I'm gonna put on the number 1 guard with the lever completely closed, and I'm gonna do the same thing as before and go up about half an inch from this previous guideline. So now that we've got the guideline in with the number 1 guard lever closed, I'm going to put on the half guard again, put the lever to the halfway position, and then flick out this bottom hard line. Again, if you need to do a little bit more detailing, close the lever all the way and then just open it the slightest bit to really knock out that hard line.
Do not go gentle into that good night.
Alright, so now I've got the 1.5 guard with the lever completely closed. I'm going to do the same exact thing, going up about half an inch from this previous guideline. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to put on the number 1 guard with the lever halfway open, just like this. And then I'm going to be going up and flicking out this hard line with the lever halfway open. If you need help again, really flicking out that hard line, close the lever completely, open it the tiniest of bit with the lever, and then go ahead and try and flick out the hard line. Alright you guys, so I'm pretty sure this is the final guard. I've got the number 2 guard with the lever completely closed, and I'm just going to be going straight up off the head to try and keep a more squared shape for the self haircut. And again, we're still going to be going up about half an inch from the previous guideline. So now I'm going to be using the 1.5 guard with the lever halfway open and then closing the lever again just to knock out that final hard line. Alright you guys, so I just finished with the self haircut, right? You see the fade, you see the fade. Let me go ahead and trim up my beard. I've got all this hair excess. I want to give it a nice beard fade to connect it and really make things look good. So let me go ahead, give myself a nice beard fade, and then I'll go ahead and show you the 360 final look. Alright you guys, so I just finished taking a shower, which explains the different colored shirt, but I did do the beard fade as well. So let me go ahead and show you the final self haircut look for this buzz cut. Well, I'm done with the buzz cut self haircut. You guys, let me know in the comments section. Did I do a good job? 1, and 2, does it look good? Like, does it look good? I don't know, like you tell me. Like, do I look better with longer hair? Do I look worse with shorter hair? Do I look better with shorter hair? Do I look worse with longer hair? You guys let me know in the comments what you thought of this self-haircut. That's pretty much it. If you guys did like this video, make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. Guys, I post self-haircut videos, men's grooming videos, and pretty much any type of video to help you guys save money and do it yourself. So make sure you guys click on that subscribe button. I post videos every single week here on YouTube. Also, you guys, if you want to learn in a lot more detail how to give yourself a self-haircut every single 2 weeks for the rest of your life and save money and time by not going to the barbershop, make sure you click that first link at the top of the description to check out my self-haircut course. But that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!